You know my pocket's low.
Alright, so this is what we're doing today. I just got these Vans here. I got these for like $35. They were on clearance, and we're going to put a Louis Vuitton sign right here and maybe back here. Maybe, I'm not quite sure yet. So let's go ahead and get started with the custom. I'm just gonna mask it real quick, and then the stencil's already being made. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Oh, and also, this is the paint that I got. The paint that you use for like cloth is supposed to be like acrylic. So this is what I got. Just this white one. White tulip color shot. Instant fabric color, and we're just gonna, it's like spray paint, but for fabric. So let's go ahead and get right to it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and mask the sides, and I'm not gonna paint the back here, so I'm just gonna mask this, the whole part here, the sides, and the bottom of both shoes real quick.
My diamond ain't frozen, ooh, pocket loaded, diamond chain they glowing, ooh, and they showing, money I'm a thot, ooh, watch me block, come shit when I bought, ooh, that you can't afford, loaded, 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 loaded.
Alright, so I finally got both shoes masked, so let's go ahead and move on to applying the stencil. Alright, so we have our stencil here. It's pretty big, but we're gonna cut it down so that it fits onto the shoe. So let's go ahead and apply it real quick.
I'ma watch 81,000 lights a real on. All these chicks, I'ma flex on my.
Alright, once you put your stencil on, you want to make sure that you like push in the stencil so that the paint doesn't get under it, like through the sides here where it's open. Also, like I know it doesn't look pretty right now, but like once we start painting it and it'll look a lot better. Just because this stencil, it's mostly vinyl, so there's like all this buckling right here, as you can see. That's like, it's fine if it's like that, because this is not gonna stay on the shoes. So we're ready for paint, so let's go ahead and get to it. Let's go into the garage, set it up.
Diamond chain they glowing, ooh, and they showing, money I'm a thot. Bruh. Ooh, watch me block, come shit when I buy, ooh, that you can't afford. Loaded, 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 loaded. Not a land, range my rover. I don't gotta drive, roll up with a chauffeur. Bitch, I get so fly when I shop at Dover. They all in disguise, just know that I'm loaded. Pocket got the guys, just know that I'm loaded. Pocket got the guys, just know that I'm loaded. Load up, load up, load up. Wow, went to the bank today, they said you loaded, 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 loaded. Saw you flexing, but you don't. I just went platinum. Count my bonus. My diamond ain't frozen. Ooh, pocket loaded. Diamond chain they glowing. Ooh, and they showing. Money I'm a thot. Ooh, watch me fly. Come shit when I buy. That you can't afford. Loaded, 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 loaded,